this done and go home. I stayed way too late for this job. May as well see if this piece of junk has a signal.
And once again, good evening, Maintown. This is Sam Rivers. The time is exactly 11 p.m. Temperature outside is 45 degrees.
Bulletin
and
board
patchy fog.
says
Perfect weather to...
suspicious man in a hat has been wandering the streets.
Moving on to
Not
announcement.
just the streets.
Owner of the Great
Wants
GWN,
to bring
license
victims to quiet places to finish the job.
Your headlights are on.
Be careful.
Looking for the owner of a ginger cat
Hell
named
is
Marmalade
going
in the
on here?
5th Street area. And, oh, here's an interesting one. Mrs. Edith from the 14th District asks, what to do
I
if
didn't
a
want to spend my
faucet starts
money on a
running
vending
rusty
machine.
water? Engineer Dave advises to first check. The main risers? Often the problem isn't in your apartment, but somewhere deeper.
I spend all day dusting other people's things at the antique shop, and I spend the evening washing my own sweat away. And the psycho of service. Dad used to say, cleanliness is a sign of order. Because what do you do when said order is just a pretty packaging for chaos? Here we are, the laundromat. Packaging. Smells like fresh chemicals. The walls have mold. Fake. Boundaries are blurring. Where does me end and they begin? Maybe we're all just drums, tumbling with the same old sins of others until our faces wither away. Rusty water. It's like the house is bleeding out. Not blood, but memory. The memories of everyone who ever washed their laundry here. Shameful stains. And now it's leaking back. The hell was that? Water? Probably just leaked from one of the machines. Why is this one running? Is someone else here? Okay, this is really creeping me out right now. Oh, thank God, it's done.